Hi students, so let us discuss different types of joins in SQL. So I'm here on PostGRE. So let me have this query tool. Let me create a database. Create database, maybe student. Okay, so let me create this database. Student. So this database has been created. How to see this database? Go to database and refresh. You can see student database has been created. Now I will go to this student database query tool. I will work on this database. So what you have to do is let me create two tables here. So I'm just creating two tables. Create table course ID, course name, and duration. Okay, this is table one, and this is table two. Table two is create table student ID, integer, primary key, name, variable character, address, variable character, and course ID. Okay, these two tables have been created. We have created these two tables. So now let us insert some values. So insert into course. This is our table. I have inserted these values as 1, 2, 3, 4, data science, first year, and so on. Similarly, I am inserting the values here for this student. So let me have these values for the students. So see here I have created two tables and I have added the values. So let us run one by one. Each table is running successfully, and if there is any bug, you have to remove that bug. So see here, everything is running successfully. Now, what to do next? Now, this is what I am going to teach you today about join command in SQL. So this thing it is highlighted in different color. Why? Because I have added this slash and star. So this doesn't carry any meaning. So this has no meaning at all. So this is just for our reference at how to do it. So what to do is we have to select star from course, select star, then from table 1, inner join, table 2, on table 1 dot column name is equal to table 2 column name. So this is how I'm going to run the query. Let me teach you how. So first consider that table 1 is a left table. Remember this. Always consider the first table as left table, easy to remember, and table 2 as right table. I repeat, table 1 as your left table and table 2 as your right table. So let me run this query first. So what I did here is I am writing here select star from course A. Course A is our table. So instead of course, I just wrote A just to make it easy. Why I will tell you later on. So course, select star from table 1, that is course. Inner join from table 2, that is student. I just named it as B. Now why I name course as A and student as B? It will become very easy. See why? Here on A on A dot column name is equal to B dot column name. So column name is common here. Column name is column here. Common. So which column name? Let us have course ID as the column name. So I should put here course ID. Our column name, common course, column name is course ID. And here also my column name is course ID. So this is the only command we have to run. So I repeat, select star from course inner join student. So select star from table A, inner join table B on table A dot column name is equal to table B dot column name. So this is how we run the query. So what I have done is I have written table 1 as A, table B as B. It will become easy. You just write A dot course ID is equal to B dot course ID. This is how we just run the query. Now you can see that we have course ID common, course ID 123 124, and here we have 1234, but it is running the common one. So what does this mean? This means that inner join, the different types of join. I'm just writing the summary of these join here for you. This inner join, let me do this so it will not be any, there's no problem at all here. So inner join, it returns only the rows with matching values in both. So like in a Venn diagram, the common value intersection A intersection B. Similarly, it returns only the rows with matching values in both tables. So matching value of course ID was 124. You can see here 124 was matching, and here also we have 124. So only matching or common values will be added using inner join. Next is left join. It returns all rows from left table and match rows from right table. So it will returns all left. Left will be given preference. Now you know what is left. So this is your left table. Remember this, the first table is your left table and this table is your right table. Second table is your right table. So left join, when I will write instead of inner join, I will write left join. It will return all rows from left table, all rows will be added and matched rows from the right table. I hope you understood. I will show you here also. Now let us see here. So in the we are having these two tables, table 1 and table 2. Okay. Now in table 1 and table 2, course ID 124 is common. So course ID 124 is common. So you can see inner joint, it has returned 124. So 124 is common. 1, 2, 4 is common here, and in table student also you have 1, 2, 4. So when I pressed inner joint is the intersection that is common. So I got the output as 1 to 4. I hope you understood. Left join, it will take care of all the left, and this it will return null. Why? Because in right column we don't have the third one. So it will show the query as null. We will show an SQL also. In the right join, it will have all the right, means 1, 2, and the common one. Right join means return all rows from the right table and match rows from the left table. So in the match rows from the left table, it will match. Similarly, full outer join, it will have everything. It returns all rows where there is a match in either left or right table. This is These are different types of tables. I hope you understood. Let me run this another table, that is our inner table we have already done. Now let me have this left table. Let me run this left table. You press here and left table and this query. You will see the changes now. Yes, the changes are that here the left is everything is added for the left table has been given the preferences and on course A dot course ID is equal to B dot course ID. So left table has been given preferences and the right table has the match rows from the right table. Only the match rows has been added and the left table is there 1 2 3 4 but it is showing null. Why? Because it is having the left join. It has a match rows from the right table. So I repeat, left table is your table A and right table is your table B. Okay, I hope you understood this. Let me run the next, that is your right join. Right join. So when I put this right join, now what it will do, it will return all rows from right table. Right table is your student table and match rows from the left table. Left table is your course table. So I am running this. Now you can see that it has taken care of the right table and match rows were in table left were 1, 2, 4. So 3 was not there. And the last is our outer join. You have to do the same thing. Instead of left, you just write outer here. Instead of left, you can just write right here. Everything is same. So now let me run this query here. Now select this. Now what it is doing, it has returned all the rows it has returned because it's full outer. When there is a match in either left or right table. So is there is match of 1 to 4, 1 to 4, it is added and 3 is also added. Now you can see in the right join, this is the difference. In the right join, we have 3 is not there. Its right join 3 is not there because it returns all the rows from the right table. So right table, it has returned all the rows, that is B table, and match rows from the left table. You can see the difference. And full, when I press the full, it has returned all the rows when there is a match or where there is a match between either left or right table. So this is very important. You have to remember this when we are using the join command. So different types of join commands I have discussed: inner join, left join, right join, and full join. You can see here these are two tables I have created earlier. Then inner join has this 1 2 4, and then for the left join we have 1 2 3 4, but 3 is null. For the right, we have 1, 2 and null. And for the left pole, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is how we create tables using different types of join command. And is when we select these things, it doesn't carry any meaning. This is just for making our nodes. These are for the nodes. Similarly, if you are adding, for example, I am adding here, this is left column or this is right column. These are all nodes. These are all your nodes. It doesn't carry any meaning at all in SQL, just for your references, just for your notes. I hope you understood.